The next two videos will be on the shoulder. The first technique will be for the shoulder itself. This technique can be used for shoulder pathologies such as instability or rotator cuff pathologies. As you can see here, Tim is perched over the edge of the bed with his hand on his hip, which allows me access around the whole shoulder. The first two steps will be anchors. One anchor will go around the arm and one just over the shoulder. The arm anchor should go just into the insertion of the deltoid or your shoulder muscle. The other anchor should start at the top of the chest, run this side of the shoulder joint over approximately 10 to 15 centimetres down the back. From this point, we're going to follow three different steps. The first step will be tape running from the bottom anchor to the back of the top anchor. There will be 3 strips with a 50% overlay on each strip. As you apply each strip, raise the shoulder to give it more stability. And there are the first 3 strips. The next 3 strips will be running from the top of the front down to the arm anchor at the back. And the last strip. So there's the first 2 steps done. The last step, and the most tricky step, is to start at the front of the shoulder, wrap around and come down to the back. Here, you don't want to go too far down the arm, otherwise the player or patient isn't able to lift their arm above their shoulder. So starting at the front, going to be wrapping around and coming down the back. Wrapping around the shoulder and down the back. So these strips should be a little bit longer than the other ones. And one more. So just so you can see, I'm going to get Tim to stand up and show you the back view. So as you can see here, these are the last 3 strips which actually come down and attach to the very bottom of that shoulder anchor. The last step is to anchor off both the arm and the shoulder anchor. And that's a shoulder taping completed.